Hello, good day everyone. Today, I'll be explaining to you a word problem. I'll read it first then. A surveying team determines the height of a hill by placing a 12-foot pole at the top of the hill and measuring the angles of elevation to the bottom and the top of the pole. They find the angles of elevation to be shown in the following figure. Find the height of a hill. So the given and the word problem are: a 12-foot pole is placed at the top of the hill. The angle of elevation to the top of the pole, which will be the theta 1, is 75 degrees. And the angle of elevation to the bottom of the pole, which will be the theta 2, is 70 degrees. We need to find the height of the hill. Let h be the height of the hill and d be the horizontal distance from the observer to the base of the hill. For the top of the pole, we'll have tan 75 degrees equal h plus 12 over d. And for the bottom of the pole, we'll have tan 70 degrees equals h over d. Let us now express d in terms of h. Let's rearrange the first and second equation to solve for d. For the top of the pole, we will have now d equals h plus 12 over tan 75 degrees. And for the bottom of the pole, d equals h over tan 70 degrees. Since both expressions represent d, we can set them equal to each other, and we will now have h plus 2 over tan 75 degrees equals h over tan 70 degrees. Let us cross multiply, and so we'll now have h times tan 75 equals h plus 12 times tan 70. So let us now transpose tan 70 degrees to the other side of the equation. So we will now have h times the quantity of tan 75 degrees minus tan 70 degrees equals 12 times tan 70 degrees. Since our goal is to solve for the height, which is denoted by h, let us divide both sides of the equation by tan 75 degrees minus tan 70 degrees, and so we will now have h is equivalent to 12 times tan 70 degrees over tan 75 degrees minus tan 70 degrees. Using approximately values for the tangents, tan 75 degrees is approximately 3.732 and tan 70 degrees is approximately 2.747. Let us substitute these values into the equation. H is equal to 12 times 3.732 over 3.732 minus 2.747. H is approximately equivalent to 32.964 over 0.985. H is approximately 33.47 feet. So therefore, the height of the hill is approximately 33.47 feet. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.